Today we are checking out the FIFINE K688 dynamic microphone. It is an XLR or USB option. Big thanks to FIFINE for sending this microphone to me to check out. We're going to go over all the ins and outs of it, all the specs about it, what comes in the box whenever you get this microphone. Anyway, let's jump in this video and let's check out the FIFINE K688. All right, so let's go over the specs of the K688. I put a little spec list up on the screen for you during this video. That way you can look at the actual specs. But it is a dynamic microphone. It does have a cardioid pickup pattern. It is a USB or XLR microphone. It does come with a USB Type-C cable that ends in a USB 2.0 connection that will allow it to connect to your computer for a standard USB port. If you want to use it as an XLR microphone, it does not come with an XLR cable, so that will need to be purchased separately. But these are the specs that are for the K688. This is what it sounds like straight out of the box. Nothing done to it, no EQ, no gain, no additional settings done to it in software. And this is what you get whenever you just straight plug this microphone into your computer with a USB connection. All right, so let's give you a little bit of B-roll to show you what the microphone looks like when you first open the box and all the accessories that come with it whenever you unpackage the K688. So now that we've gone over the accessories inside the box, let's talk about the features of the microphone itself. Once you connect it to your computer using the USB connection, if you notice along the bottom of the microphone, you have two control knobs. One is for direct gain control. The other one is for mic monitoring. There's a 3.5 millimeter jack located on the bottom of the microphone. So you can plug a set of headphones into the microphone if you want to monitor your mic output. Again, gain is very simple. It's just a simple turn knob. And there is an indicator on the switch that shows you when the gain is minimum and when it is maximum as well. On the bottom of the microphone, in this case, I have the microphone upside down, but there is a mute button that you can simply touch that will mute the microphone while you're using it as a USB microphone. Keep in mind that if you use this as an XLR microphone, that none of these features work because those are all controlled directly through your audio interface. So as you've been listening to the microphone throughout this video, there is no EQ done to it, no additional gain added to it, except what was added from the control knob located on the bottom of the microphone. And this is what you should expect straight out of the box. Nothing done to it. As I said, no filters, anything at all done to the microphone. And I'll be completely honest, the microphone does sound really nice. I think currently on Amazon it's about $72. But if you look on the FiFine website, it's actually cheaper than that, than what it is on Amazon right now. But I'll leave a link if you want to pick it up from Amazon. But anyway, this microphone sounds so really crisp and clean. I'll be honest with you, I've tested out the AM8 as well, and both sound very similar when it comes to the USB aspect of the microphone. I'm not sure if they have the same capsule inside of them because they both sound really nice straight out of the box. You know, not doing nothing to them at all. But let's do few little sound tests on the microphone just to give you an idea of what it sounds like if you were to touch the microphone. It does have an included shock mount as well with little rubber bands. I'll move the microphone just a little bit just to give you an idea of it inside of the shock mount. But let's touch it and we'll move it around. We'll touch our desk as well. And that is the feedback that you'll get if you accidentally, your microphone arm or touch your desk, or if you're using the keyboard in the background. So let me be quiet for just a moment. I'll type on the keyboard just to give you an idea of what it sounds like, if you're not speaking at all. So there we go. That was me just typing on the keyboard. If you have headphones, I would honestly recommend you listening to this entire video with a set of headphones on. That way, it gives you a much better aspect of what the microphone itself sounds like. So now that you've heard what it sounds like as a USB microphone, we are going to switch over to an XLR connection using my audio interface. The audio interface that I'm using is the Elgato Wave XLR, and we will have the gain set on the interface at around 70%. So let me get this switched over, and we'll come back and let you hear what it sounds like as an XLR microphone. So we have now switched over to a XLR connection. This is what the microphone sounds like. No EQ, no filters done to it whatsoever. We do have the gain turned up on the Elgato Wave XLR to about 50%. Windows volume is around 85 as well. And this is the sound you should experience while using it as an XLR microphone. We'll do a few sound tests just like we did when it was plugged into the USB connection, just to give you an idea of how well it rejects background noise, plosives. I will say right off the bat that it does seem like that in XLR mode that it does reject plosives a little bit better. But we'll go through the video, let you listen to the sound test, and let you make your own opinions based on what you hear. So just like we did with the USB connection, we are going to tap on the microphone arm. We're going to tap on the microphone itself and do some typing on the keyboard just to see how well it rejects background noise. So let's get started. Microphone arm and mic test itself. Okay, so there we go. That is what it sounds like whenever we touch the microphone arm, whenever we touch the microphone itself. Keep in mind, as I stated, that none of the controls on the bottom of the microphone or the mute option on the side of the microphone will work while it is in XLR mode. That is directly controlled through your audio interface. And anyway, this is what the FIFINE K688 sounds like in USB form and also in XLR form. I'll be honest with you. I really like the sound quality of the microphone. I honestly really like the look of the microphone itself. It does come in white, comes in black, and it comes in pink color as well. So if you have a particular, color preference for your setup, you have a theme setup. But I absolutely love this microphone. It's inexpensive. If you don't have an audio interface, just use it as a USB microphone. It works great straight out of the box. Does really well. Sounds really good as well. And it's not super expensive. As I said, it's about 72 bucks on the Amazon website. I think right now on FiFine's website, it's about 58 bucks. But anyway, if you want to pick it up, I'll leave links down in the description below. They will be affiliate links so that if you do pick it up through Amazon, it will help me earn a little bit of money that way. But anyway, this is my review of the FiFine K688 dynamic microphone. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope you have a great holiday season. Until next time, much love, peace out, and we'll see you.